how can you make your day 2 hair look like this without having to refresh it? Just having a thorough wash day. I call it putting curls in the bank on wash day. Results will vary because everyone's hair pattern is a little bit different. However, in general, these are some of my secrets. Number 1, doing some sort of styling technique after I apply my hair products. Denman brush curls, ribbon curls, rake and shake method, something that's going to add definition and control frizz is going to give me more longevity out of my style than something that's a little bit more simple like the bowl method or squish to condition, but that's just my hair. Everybody's a little bit different. Secondly, gel. So many folks with wavy hair that has a tendency to lose its curl, only use curl creams. You need a strong hold product if your hair has a tendency to lose its curl. The cast is a whole nother discussion, but don't shy away from gels. That's what's gonna make your hairstyle last. Protein, so especially if you have color treated hair, but just in general, if your hair pattern is suddenly not holding curl as well as it normally does, or your curl pattern is just a little bit limp, you might need a little bit of protein in your hair. And an easy way to find that, if you don't know how to read the ingredient labels yet, is to look for products that are meant for color treated hair. Please, please, please just experiment with protecting your hair at night, whether it is a silk pillowcase, putting your hair up in a silk scrunchie, using a bonnet or a silk scarf. It makes such a big difference. For me, this was just like a game changer. Now, one of the most common mistakes that I see folks with wavy hair doing that just ruins all of their other hard work and makes their style not last, oh, it smells so good, is using products that are too heavy for their hair. Some telltale signs that the products you're using are just too heavy for your hair is that the cast from your gel just won't set. Day 2 or day 3 hair starts to look really greasy from mids to ends, or your hair starts to not be as spirally as it usually is, and it starts to get very, very soft.